Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and balance the DJI RS4 Mini. Now this is a viewer suggested video, so I wanted to thank Sari Visuals for the idea to film this. Now without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be balancing the OM system, OM3, with the 25mm f1.8 Mark II lens. Now I've extensively covered this camera and lens both here on Illuminations from the Attic and over on slashgear.com. So I've got a lot of content already about this and about the RS4 Mini. Now to get started, we're going to put this quick release plate onto the OM3. You want to make sure that this little bit here is pointing forward. And you want to make sure that it's fairly straight on there on the camera, so that it's not at an angle when the camera is on the gimbal, and that's fairly good, right? Like that. Now we're going to put it into this mounting plate. Want to depress this button here. Make sure that this is in the unlocked position. And then just slide it in, and we want to slide it probably all the way over here, like that. So that and then lock it in tight. You want to make sure, since this camera is going to go into the gimbal like this, that it's not going to jam up against this piece of the gimbal. And so next, you want to depress this button here and slide this in like so. And then lock this. Oh, actually, I'm going to wait to lock that lever down, because now we're going to do some fine tuning in a moment here. Now, you want to unlock each of the axis of the gimbal here, like that, and like that. So now it's floating free, and we can begin to balance it. You see, it's all out of whack right now. So, first things first, okay, so this axis seems to be perfectly fine. This one definitely needs a little bit of adjustment, so we are going to unlock this and slide it like so. That seems fairly good. You just want to make sure that this is not leaning one way or the other here, and compensate for that. Next, we're going to do the fine tuning here with the camera itself. And this is one of the things that's really nice about this gimbal, is that as you unlock this, and then you have this little knob, and inside of the quick release plate here, you have a toothed slider. And so you have a gear that's connected to this knob, and you can slide this back and forth. So we can very easily dial it in so that the camera is hanging perfectly straight on the gimbal. And eyeballing it, that looks pretty good. So, just like that, I want to make sure that all of these axes are locked down. And we will power on the gimbal. And there. It seems to be fairly well balanced already without just with those few small adjustments. I have been mostly using this camera with this, so it didn't really need a lot of changes from where I last had it, but I did do a little bit of fine tuning there. For different cameras, you will need to do more radical fine tuning adjustments, including potentially this axis as well. But anyway, right now we're going to run the auto calibration here. So we want to tap on this icon and then just hit start calibration. And it'll wobble around a little bit as it determines how best to balance the camera on the gimbal. And I have found that this process can be run even on fairly uneven ground, and I can still get a good result. It just takes, say, about a minute here, maybe a bit less. I haven't actually timed it. And there we go. Very quick and easy. And so then it's all calibrated, and ready to use. So you can see like that, it's now working very, very well. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful. And be sure to check out all my other content about the OM3, this lens, and the RS4 Mini. It's a great little gimbal and a great camera. And I've got a lot of content about both. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!